If you've ever wondered how to use AI for ebook or lead magnet creation, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how you can harness the power of AI to create professional quality ebooks or lead magnets in a fraction of the time it would usually take. First things first, let's talk about what AI can actually do for your ebook or lead magnet. With AI, you can generate content quickly and efficiently, streamline the writing process, and even refine the structure of your work. If you've tried using traditional methods or other software, you know how time-consuming it can be. This software will drastically reduce that effort. So, how do you use AI to create your ebook or lead magnet? Start by giving the AI some context. Provide an outline, some key ideas, or even a rough draft. The more detail you give, the better the output. Think of it as a brainstorming partner that takes your thoughts and shapes them into well-structured content. Now, you'll want to choose your tone and style, whether it's casual, professional, or authoritative. The AI can adapt to fit the vibe of your brand or message. You can adjust it as you go, tweaking the tone until it's just right. Once your draft is generated, don't just stop there. AI can also help with editing. Whether you need to improve grammar, sentence structure, or even make sure your content flows logically, the software can make suggestions for enhancements. It's like having an editor at your fingertips 24/7. And what about formatting? Many AI tools also offer templates to give your ebook or lead magnet a clean, polished design. From chapter headings to bullet points, you can make sure everything is visually appealing and easy to navigate. But that's not all. If you're creating a lead magnet, AI can help you optimize your content for conversions. It can suggest better headlines, calls to action, and even provide insights on the best structure to grab attention. This is key when your goal is to get people to download or sign up for more. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the software we're using today. I've tested all the popular ones out there, and this one stands out. It's intuitive, effective, and offers all the features you need to create top-quality ebooks or lead magnets. Plus, if you want to follow along with me, I've got an exclusive free trial of this software for you in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. As a quick recap, here's the process. Start by feeding your AI tool some context for your ebook or lead magnet. Choose your tone and style. Let the AI generate your content, then edit and format it. Use AI to optimize for conversions if you're creating a lead magnet. And of course, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along. The key takeaway here is that AI isn't just a tool. It's a game changer for creating ebooks and lead magnets quickly and efficiently. With the right AI software, you can save time and produce high-quality content that stands out. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.